Welcome to the channel. If you're planning your next trip and using the Get Your Guide app, it's important to have the app set in a language you understand. In this video, I'll guide you how to change the language in the Get Your Guide app on your phone. It's a simple process that takes less than a minute. First, open the Get Your Guide app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll through the list of options and find the language setting. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all available languages supported by the app. After that, select the language you want to use. Once you tap your preferred language, wait a few seconds. The app will begin updating the language settings in the background. Finally, once the language files have been installed, the app will automatically refresh and display the new language throughout the interface. There's no need to restart the app. That's it. You've now successfully changed the language in the Get Your Guide app. Thanks for watching.